Elise and Joel can't get in touch with the Fireflies. Tommy, Joel's brother, tells the group to go to the University of Eastern Colorado once they arrive in Wyoming, and come across him as the Last of Us episode 6 comes to a sad end. Joel and Ellie are on their way to find the revolutionary militia group, according to the former Firefly, so they can use Ellie's immunity to get a treatment for the cordyceps disease. Joel and Ellie discuss whether or not the campus will be free of fireflies upon their arrival. Joel, played by Pedro Pascal, and Ellie, played by Bella Ramsey, are approached by a group of armed gunmen shortly after Joel was stabbed in The Last of Us episode 6. After searching the area for clues regarding the location of the fireflies in the main cliffhanger of The Last of Us episode 6. But before that, Joel can figure out where the Fireflies are by using information from the first game to figure out why they left Colorado. The Fireflies left the university for Salt Lake City. After looking for signs of fireflies, Joel comes aboard with a map of North American mountain states. Numerous pins on the map lead to Salt Lake City from various points across the United States. The numerous paths depict the travels of numerous firefly groups that gathered in Salt Lake City from all over the nation. This includes the group that was put together in Colorado, which Joel and Ellie must now visit to finish their journey because they miss them. The burning question is why and what caused the fireflies to cross each other. The map that Joel and Ellie look at in episode 6 of The Last of Us provides a hint to this in both the Hebo TV adaptation of the video game and the original The Last of Us. It also matches the rest of the narrative from the first game of The Last of Us. Over Salt Lake City, a small piece of paper with the word Street Mary's is taped. Street Mary's is a hospital on the map where the Fireflies in the first game work. The Fireflies congregate here due to the conclusion of Ellie's quest and the main plot of The Last of Us. In order to use Ellie's immunity from The Last of Us to find a cure for the cordyceps illness, as stated in the first episode of The Last of Us, Marlene wants to transport Ellie to fireflies that are better equipped. This explains the Salt Lake City Hospital because the Firefly is expected to require significantly more advanced medical equipment than the various Casa or other hideouts do. By visiting Street Mary's Hospital to develop a vaccine, the Fireflies are probably already getting ready for Ellie's arrival. This also clarifies the connection between the future of The Last of Us and the Fireflies. In many ways, the show will go much deeper into the Fireflies after episode 6. There are still 3 episodes. The final episode of Hebo's series would probably feature Joel and Ellie arriving at Street Mary's Hospital and discovering the Fireflies, with Marlene present and in charge of the surgery, if the events of the game are faithfully replicated. The Fireflies will try to treat treatment will kill Elliot. Before he kills each Firefly and recovers Ellie, Riley is one more way that the Fireflies and the remainder of us last 3 is a friend of Ellie before she was bitten. Marlene suggested this at the premiere of The Left Behind, the same name as the documentary that told the story of Riley and Ellie. It is obvious that Storm Reed will play Riley. This could provide the Fireflies with additional context throughout the episode and demonstrate how they have had an impact on Ellie's past in the same way that she has. Future of The Last of Us